Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the 4th of August from the 10th to the 14th of August 2026 on Monday. Bobby is stepped saving Numi and proposed to her while bleeding. She says yes. Busani grows suspicious of the luxury cars on Tuesday. Bobby returned from hospital and announces marriage to Ndumi as DM rebrands. Busani probes a stolen car audit while Papi enjoys his cut. Matapelo slips into gambling distraction and wins 500 Rand on Wednesday. Bobby's siblings are divided and Busani considers exposing him. Dloma Motor celebrates sales. Matapelo repays Ndando, but gambling disrupts work. Letabo is rocked by Bobby's engagement on Thursday. Letabo is gutted by Bobby's engagement. Busani confronted him as tension rises while she keeps digging for the truth. Matapelo relapses into gambling on Friday. Bobby confronted Thabo as tension spills into the kids. Matapelo wins 20k from betting. Masechaba tips Bobby off and Papi clears his name. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.